So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. You guys are absolutely so sweet and adorable that you've chosen to spend a few minutes of your day with me and my mini unboxing that we're just about to get into now. But before we do, if you are new, welcome. My name's Simran and I like to make videos on fashion, travel, hauls, anything that I feel that may help someone out there as far as making a choice, or if they're perhaps thinking of purchasing something, or if they're thinking of traveling somewhere. I like to help. I try. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. And if before you do, if you haven't subscribed and you enjoy my content by the end, could you please perhaps consider subscribing, because that would mean the world to me. So let's get into today's video, guys. So as you already probably gathered from the title, we know that it's an unboxing that we're getting into today, and it's something that I literally wanted for so long, but every time I went on the site it was always out of stock. So I was like, okay, why is this item not in stock? But one morning I woke up and the heavens and my stars and everything were aligned and it was available. And here she is. So I'm not gonna lie guys, I have obviously had a look because I need to check everything that it's okay. So initially came in the Louis Vuitton box. You get the slide opening box. You do also get the blue ribbon that's attached with the Louis Vuitton card, and inside there's nothing in there, it's just a plain piece of paper, but hence this is really good, like if you were to gift, if this was a gift. You also do receive the Louis Vuitton envelope, which gives you like their lovely thank you card. So it gives you a lovely thank you card with like all the details. So you've got your receipt in there, you've got the thank you note, you've got the card if you want to send it back. You've got a gift receipt thing in there as well, which is different because before it used to have the price on there, but now they call it a gift receipt, so which is good, I guess. And yeah, so enough of this, let's get into the unboxing, right? So with this box, like the Bandu box and other boxes, this box here has no magnetic closure and it just slides open like so. And it comes in a beautiful Louis Vuitton dust bag. Oh my god, I can finally use it now. And you also get the Louis Vuitton dust bag, and inside there you've got your gorgeous reverse monogram card holder. Dun dun dun. So on one side you have the reverse monogram, so you've got the two stars, you've got the Louis Vuitton symbol in the middle. On the back you also have the monogram print, but the original, but the reverse on the top. You've got the two stars and then the Louis Vuitton logo in the center. On the top you've got the pattern here that matches the back. Inside you get a your card that lets you know what the actual item is made of. So I actually watched this video, I forget the lady, but she made a video and she actually put so many cards in this, but I know it's meant to hold up to 3 cards, one on this side, one on there, and one in the center. You probably can squeeze more in. I mean, if you want me to do a video on seeing how many cards fit in here, please let me know in the comment box below, because I think that would be fun. So yeah, and here she is. I think she's stunning. I think she's beautiful. I'm so happy that I finally have gotten able to get a hold of her, because it's going to actually match like my key clay. So it's going to match like the key clay set. I like the contrast. Obviously I've had the key clay for about 2 years now, so it's fairly old, but yeah, but it's going to match with like a lot of my other Louis Vuitton items. So I'm really pleased, and I hope this stays in the same condition my other key clay has. So that was my mini unboxing for you guys of my new Louis Vuitton card holder that was out of stock for so long. I'm really grateful that mine actually is in good condition as well, because I know that some women have actually complained that there was like some faults within their card, but to me, I think I'm pleased. I think everything's aligned. The stitching looks good. So I'm really happy. So that was my mini unboxing for you guys. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to link like all the details of the card holder and the measurements and everything else, and also the Louis Vuitton site, so you can link it directly so it tells you how much it is and everything else, all below in the comment box. If you have any questions, or if you, like I said, if you'd like me to make you a video on what fits in here and how many cards, let me know and in the comment box. Or if you have any other suggestions or anything else you'd like me to try doing, please let me know. But that was it. So yeah, thank you so much. So yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for taking a few minutes of your day out for me to watch my video, and I really truly do appreciate it. If you have remained subscribed, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed but you've made it this far, could you please perhaps consider subscribing, because that would help me out so much. So yeah, so till next time, take care. Thank you so much. Bye.